Hell yeah. Hey, we finally found somebody out here on a lowrider, my boy. It's about damn time. We finally gonna be able to get some more content out on this fucking channel. But what's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another one. Sorry, I'm pretty stoked right now. This is a I believe it's a 2021 lowrider. Thing looks really good. He's got the Memphis shade fairing. I don't know, I definitely fucking need one. But then again, this fucking heat, you just heard him say, dude, it's too fucking hot. Maybe I want to keep the wind. Hell yeah. Thing is nasty though, ain't it? Hell yeah. We gotta do some quick pulls, man. You already know what it is. First time riding with him, he looks like he knows how to ride with people. You know, he was just telling me he's ridden. Well, at least I interpreted it that way. And that's nice, that's refreshing, but seems super fucking chill. He's like, hey man, wanna meet up, go get a beer? I'm like, fuck yeah, bro, fuck yeah. Hell yeah. So I believe this got the 114 in it.
You gotta get the mod bandit, bro.
Dude, I love the fucking Simpson helmets. I'm gonna get one.
It's so nice, like, I do the thins.
Yeah?
Sitting at a red light, pop one in, take a drink of water.
Okay.
It's so much nicer. Like, you got your bag.
Yeah.
Have a drink of water and haul ass.
Yeah, where'd you get it at?
I had to go all the way over to the East Coast to West Palm Beach just to go try one on. Nobody anywhere around here carries them.
I know. Oh boy. Had to let her rip some. Oh man, I need a new back tire anyway, so fuck it, right? God damn, dude, I haven't ridden with another person in fucking, what, 8 months? Forgot how much fun it could be. Fucking mobbing right now. Yeah, right? Dude, I had to let it go once. I need a new back tire anyway, so fuck it.
I don't think that guy in that Chevy likes it.
He was on your fucking ass, dude. That's why I kept trying to, like, get out the way, but those two cars were too close. I'm not gonna lie though, that Mod Bandit, the helmet, that shit's looking mighty fucking convenient. Just fucking pop it up when you need it, or when you need to. Might be taking a trip over to the West Coast for all that. Yeah, I most definitely need a fucking back tire. I'm slipping on fucking pavement now. Fuck it, dude. I'll follow the old guy. I mean, if it fits, though. I think he wants us to rev it. You never used the intercom before? Yeah, I think he loves it. Yeah, his girlfriend. He's trying to tell us to come over. That's fucked. Oh man, I had to let the shots off a little bit. It's the Ford Ranger of Toyota. But dude, just getting off and pulling it back is just fucking easier at this point. But putting the kickstand down, because you got to lean this bitch. At least mine.
Bro, those kickstands scared the shit out of me.
Oh, scared the shit out of me as well. I've dropped it already.
Me too.
Okay, I don't feel so bad now. Oh no, dude. Wait till you, if you... God damn, your bike's quick as fuck, dude. Bro, I didn't expect the 114 to be that good. Bro, we did not lose any distance between each other. We were the exact same the whole time. I'm glad I got that on video. Yeah. Well, cool. Yeah, just hit me up, and if you're not doing anything in a little bit, just let me know. Sounds good to me. And if anything, tomorrow, let me know. All right, cool. Have a good one.